Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. In this video, I will be sharing adorable and creative crochet sweater designs for newborn baby girls full of comfort, cuteness and charm. Let's get started. Let's begin with the basic front open sweater design. This pattern is perfect for beginners. It usually starts from the neckline and works down using double crochet or half double crochet stitches. You can add tiny buttons or ribbons for color. Sophiani shades like baby pink, peach, or cream is ideal for this style. It's simple, cozy, and perfect for everyday use. Next, we have the round yoke sweater, very popular for newborns. The design starts in a circular motion from the top and expands evenly. Stitches like shell stitch, fan stitch, or puff stitch are commonly used in the yoke to give it beautiful texture. You can match it with the crochet cap or booties for complete set. Pasta color like lavender, mint, white work beautifully. Another cute design is a lace style sweater. This one is perfect for slightly warmer wet weather, light, breathable, and delicate. It uses over stitches like V stitch, mesh stitch, or pineapple stitch. These sweaters look elegant and are often decorated with small crochet flowers or scallop borders, ideal for baby showers or photo shoots. Let's also talk about hoodie sweaters, super cute and cozy for newborns. These have a tiny hood attached, and some designs include little bear ears or bows on top. You can keep the body simple with double crochet and make the hood in a matching pattern. Colors like beige, soft gray, or light pink give a sweet winter look and add matching mittens for extra warmth. So these were some beautiful. So these are some of the most beautiful crochet sweater designs for newborn baby girls. Each one is unique, soft, and full of handmade love. Let me know in the comment which style you like in the both. And if you want a tutorial, a step-by-step guide for any pattern, just mention it. I will make a special video for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more cute crochet ideas. Take care and happy crocheting.